I'm often asked, what is the best laptop setup for effective learning for children studying and learning from home? So I'm going to give you 3 easy steps to set your child up for academic success. My name is Dr. Muriel Poli. I've been in practice for 34 years, and I provide integrated chiropractic care. Integrated because I provide not only digital ergonomics, but posture correction exercises, brain-based posture correction exercises that are child specific and that will set your child up for excellence. So now we're going to look at um, some of the downfalls of improper computer setup. So they fatigue more easily. They have loss of concentration. That means that they learn more slowly, and they can experience eye strain, neck and back pain, headaches, poor posture. And along with all this, the mood can deteriorate, and they can certainly have problems with self-esteem. So what are the solutions? Solution number one is optimal screen level. So to do that, you need to get a laptop stand, an external keyboard and mouse, and adjust the top 1/3, that's the red line, top 1/3 of the screen to eye level. The next solution is adjusting the lighting. Avoid light hitting directly the screen. Why? Because that produces glare, and the child's going to have difficulties adjusting to the glare and trying to read the material on the screen. So a dimmer, more diffuse lighting is going to be best. Do not sit facing a window, and use computer glasses starting 5 p.m. So I'm going to expand a whole lot more on these elements in my upcoming workshop this next Tuesday, November 3rd at 7:45 p.m. The third solution is movement. Exercise not only enhances and protects the brain, but it is fundamental for integrating information and also emotional integration. So I recommend posture breaks every half hour. It could be 20 seconds of rubbing their eyes or a minute or 3 of standing up, doing a victory pose, or doing some squats, or doing self-massage. So if you want to find out what more action steps you can take to tackle this issue, you can schedule a virtual digital ergonomic assessment, and that means that you would provide photos, and then I would make recommendations to optimize the setup. You can attend the workshop next Tuesday, November 3rd at 7:45 p.m. Or if your child really has obvious posture issues, you can set up a posture neurology scan and a spinal health check. And you can contact me by writing at info@vitaliachiro.com. And in conclusion, um, I'd like to say that um, chances are your children are going to be working for the rest of their lives in front of a computer. And now's the time to install proper posture habits, proper health building habits before they run off to college, where you will have absolutely no control over them. And to ensure that they will have not only thrive in the workplace, but that they will thrive in life as well. Thank you very much for listening.